Hello and welcome back to Nutrinova TV, where we bring clarity and insight into the complex world of health and nutrition. Today, we're addressing a critical health issue that affects millions globally: high blood sugar. Are you aware that ignoring certain signs could lead to severe health consequences like diabetes? In this video, we'll explore 16 signs that your blood sugar might be higher than normal and the symptoms that could indicate diabetes. This information is not just crucial, it could be life-changing. So, if you're ready to learn more about your body's signals and possibly prevent diabetes, stay tuned. Sixteen signs of high blood sugar you might be ignoring. 1. Excessive urination and urination at night. Often known as polyuria, this symptom means your kidneys are filtering high levels of glucose and working harder than normal, leading to frequent urination. This is not just about the inconvenience of disrupted sleep from nightly bathroom trips. It's a sign that your body is trying to expel excess sugar, which can lead to significant dehydration and even disturb electrolyte balance. 2. Blurred vision. High blood sugar levels can cause the lens of your eye to swell, altering your ability to focus. This blurred vision is temporary and reversible if blood sugar levels are brought back to normal. However, if ignored, persistently high blood sugar can cause permanent damage to the blood vessels in the retina, leading to diabetic retinopathy. 3. Difficulty concentrating. When your brain receives inadequate glucose, it struggles to perform efficiently. High blood sugar thickens and slows blood flow, reducing oxygen supply and the removal of toxins from brain cells. This can impair cognitive functions such as memory, attention, and decision-making processes. 4. Dry mouth. High glucose levels in your blood can lead to a decrease in saliva production, resulting in xerostomia or dry mouth. This condition is not only uncomfortable, but can also increase the risk of dental problems, such as cavities and gum disease, because saliva helps to wash away food particles and neutralize acids produced by dental plaque. 5. Impotence. For men, high blood sugar can damage blood vessels and nerves in the penis, making it difficult to achieve or maintain an erection. This symptom, known as erectile dysfunction, is particularly concerning as it also indicates potential damage to other vascular areas of the body, such as the heart and the brain. 6. Recurrent infections. High levels of glucose create an environment where pathogens can thrive, particularly in moist and warm areas of the body. This can lead to frequent yeast infections, urinary tract infections, and skin infections. Recurring infections not only signify high blood sugar, but also point to a weakened immune system. 7. Slow healing wounds. High glucose levels in the blood can impair blood flow, reducing the speed at which oxygen and nutrients are delivered to heal tissues. Slow wound healing is a key indicator of diabetes and can lead to complications like infections or ulcers, especially in the lower limbs. 8. Stomach problems. Gastroparesis is a condition often associated with high blood sugar where the stomach cannot empty properly. Symptoms include bloating, nausea, pain, and vomiting. This can severely impact your quality of life by affecting nutrient absorption and causing discomfort. 9. Constant fatigue. Excessive fatigue arises because glucose remains in your bloodstream instead of being used as energy by the cells. This lack of energy production leaves you feeling tired all the time, affecting your overall productivity and quality of life. 10. Unusual thirst. The process of filtering and expelling excess glucose requires a high volume of fluids, leading to dehydration. The body's natural response to dehydration is increased thirst, prompting you to drink more to replenish lost fluids. 11. Dry and itchy skin. Poor blood flow and dehydration, common with high blood sugar, can dry out the skin, particularly in extremities like the lower legs. This dryness can lead to itchiness, cracking, and even infections if the skin becomes too dry. 12. Constant hunger. Despite eating regular meals, high blood sugar can prevent glucose from entering cells, where it's needed for energy. This leaves you feeling hungry all the time, a condition known as polyphagia, which can lead to overeating and weight gain. 13. Excess abdominal weight fat. Insulin resistance, often a precursor to diabetes, can cause the body to store fat predominantly in the abdominal area. This not only contributes to weight gain, but also increases the risk of developing serious health issues, including heart disease and type 2 diabetes. 14. Nerve problems. Neuropathy. Excess sugar in the blood can damage small blood vessels that supply nerves, particularly in the legs, leading to neuropathy. Symptoms can include pain, tingling, and numbness, starting in the extremities and potentially leading to more severe complications if untreated. 15. Skin changes. High insulin levels can lead to changes in skin texture and coloration, known as acanthosis nigricans. This appears as dark, velvety patches in body folds and creases and may be one of the first signs of diabetes. 16. Tingling and numbness. Ongoing high blood sugar can cause diabetic neuropathy, which leads to a loss of sensation in the affected areas. This is often felt as tingling or numbness in the hands and feet, which can progress to more severe sensory loss and even pain over time. Warning signs of diabetes. If you're consistently noticing any of the signs we've discussed, it's crucial to also be vigilant for symptoms that might suggest the onset of diabetes. Prolonged or severe fatigue and increased irritability can be key indicators, often resulting from your body's inability to properly use glucose for energy. Unexplained weight loss, despite eating your usual amounts, can signal that your body is burning fat and muscle for energy because it can't access glucose effectively. In addition to these changes, you might notice more frequent infections, such as those affecting the gums or skin, and sores that heal unusually slowly. These occurrences suggest a weakened immune system, which can be a direct result of high blood sugar levels impairing your body's natural healing processes and defense mechanisms. Sudden vision changes should not be ignored, as high blood sugar can cause the lenses of your eyes to swell, altering your ability to focus. This can result in blurry vision that fluctuates with glucose levels. Furthermore, a feeling of tingling or numbness in your hands or feet, known as neuropathy, is a serious concern. This occurs when high glucose levels damage the nerves over time. Similarly, very dry skin can also develop, exacerbated by frequent urination associated with high blood sugar, which dehydrates the body and affects the skin's moisture levels. Lastly, an increase in the frequency of infections could also be a red flag. A high glucose environment fosters the growth of yeast and bacteria, leading to more frequent yeast infections, urinary tract infections, and other bacterial infections. It's important to take these symptoms seriously, as they can indicate the development of diabetes, which requires prompt diagnosis and management to mitigate the risk of further complications. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, consulting with a healthcare professional is advised to assess your condition accurately and to discuss potential diagnostic and treatment options. These symptoms and signs are your body's way of signaling that something might be off with your blood sugar levels. Ignoring these could lead to more serious complications, including diabetes. If you recognize any of these symptoms, consider consulting with a healthcare professional for a proper diagnosis and appropriate management strategies. Don't forget to like this video if you found it informative, subscribe to Nutrinova TV, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things health. Have you experienced any of these signs? Share your story in the comments below to help others in our community. Remember, your health is in your hands, and staying informed is the first step towards maintaining it. See you next time on Nutrinova TV.